Now coming back to the positive feedback mechanism where the change in variable would produce a response which is similar to that of the stimulus. Positive feedback is a vicious cycle because it could cause a derangement in the bodily functions if it was not controlled. For example, if a person is bleeding more than 2 liters of blood, the decrease in blood pressure following by the decrease of blood flow to the heart can cause decrease in the force of contraction. This decrease of force of contraction can reduce the cardiac output, which further decreases the blood pressure and it also decreases the blood flow, which eventually becomes a vicious loop that continues until the person is dead. But the positive feedback could also be advantageous to the body. Positive feedback is valuable in childbirth. As the contraction of uterus forces the child through the cervical opening or the dilatation of cervix activates the receptors, and this information is relayed to the hypothalamus, which causes the production of oxytocin that is sent back to the uterine muscles and cause powerful uterine muscle contractions. Other example is Hodgkin cycle, where the opening of one voltage gated sodium channel can trigger the opening of neighboring voltage gated sodium channels. And through this, the conduction of the nerve signal in the form of action potential is potentiated and it is sustainable throughout the journey along the length of axon.